Hey guys, this is Slick GT3 here. I'm going to show you how to take apart your Xbox 360 hard drive using a flathead screwdriver. As you can see, I've already taken this one apart over here. So, alrighty, so this is what I have. It's my pair of vice grips and a flathead screwdriver. You can see there, it's just a simple flathead screwdriver. Okay. So anyways, and that's all you do, is you set it up like that, put pressure on it, and turn it. That's what I was doing. And you can see that'll work for me. I'll show you real quick here. It's a Torque T6 screw. I don't know anyone who actually makes them or sells them. The smallest I can find was a Torque T8 at Home Depot, and that was in my other video. I'm just starting on YouTube, so I don't really have that many skills to like link videos and descriptions. If you guys want to leave comments, you can show me how to do that. That'd be awesome. We'll start making some GTA videos and stuff like that. You know, because that's what's hot right now. I ain't doing it to make money. I'm just making videos to get out there on YouTube and see, you know, how many views I can get, basically. One more screw here. This isn't the best method, but it's the only one I could come up with. You guys have better methods, post them in the comments below. Okay, now you're going to kind of pry this apart a little bit. That button's always going to come out. Usually the spring too. And then I want to take this case, put it on my new 120 gigabyte hard drive, which you can actually tell there's a little bit of a difference. Not much, but okay, so you gotta clip it in the front first. It's gonna give you a hard time. This is anything Microsoft does, you know. There we go. Clipped it in there. That's not right. Oh, I forgot the spring. Silly me. You don't want to stick the spring right in there. Yeah, you want to take the button off there. Stick that in there. And yeah, I got that on that right. I'll have a new video of me customizing my Xbox controller. Should be within next month. Just put the button back on here. Okay, now I got the springs work and it's all good to go. Now I gotta put this back on again. Kind of a complicated pain in the butt, but that went on real easy. My spring works, my locks. Now I'll screw it back on. going to place the screws in the holes right now. You'll notice on the back of your hard drive there's a little Microsoft sticker. You're going to want to take that off because there's a Torx screw underneath that sticker. Alright. I'm actually recording this on my phone because it can actually record, I think, up to an hour. I don't know. It's a Pantech Discover. It's the best phone I've ever had. It's an Android phone. I don't think I stripped this screw. I might have. I don't really care. So I'm never going to take it apart again, so I really don't care. When I'm done, I'll click it back in and I'll show you guys my Xbox, my controller I'm working on. Sorry it's long, I know this video is kind of long, but just teach you guys how to do this. Okay, for some reason these screws are almost stripped. They don't want to go in. Oh, this is not good. Just fix this here. There we go. Just needs more pressure. We're good. No worries. Okay, 2 more screws. I put some music on. Like I said, I don't know how. And also, you couldn't hear me talking, so what's the point of that, right? I'm doing this because there's not that many videos on about this right now. Oh, geez. I'll stab myself there. We're good. My Xbox Live gamer tag is Swicked GT3. So if you guys want to add me, tell me I'm on. I've been on lately because I'm looking for work. You know, I'm going to be going to school for welding. That's going to be exciting. I'll just put this one back together for you guys real quick. I'll screw it together, but I'll do that after the video. Because, you know, you already saw that, so what's the point, right? Did I get it? I don't know. Let's see. Someone got it, but anyways, I'm not going to use that hard drive anyway, so. Alright guys, so we're on about 9 minutes here. There you guys go. So I just did a 120 gigabyte hard drive, and now it's in my Xbox. Change covers, it all matches. It's good stuff, you know. Got a little that carbon fiber front end, you know, just the one you get at GameStop. My memory stick in there. Got my 2 controllers. This is the one I'm working on, the green one. I took everything out of it. I ordered an orange one to match the Xbox. So like I said, it should be here next month. There's my parts. There's little knobs and the LB and the RB, stuff like that. So thanks guys. Thank you for watching.